It's a Yanmar YM1610D. It's a four-wheel drive diesel tractor. It has a shuttle shift, meaning you don't have to push the clutch to shift the gears, which is makes it nice when you're going in and out of something or picking up loads of dirt or whatever. Been completely refurbished, brand new tires, brand new hoses. It's a brand new loader. You see that's the shuttle shift. All you do is move that lever up and down. It's got a 3-speed PTO, 3 main gears. It's got about 650 hours on it, which is really low for a tractor. All the filters have been changed, hoses, belts, has a new starter, new batteries, all new fluids. And the lights work, the horn works. The bucket will lift up to about 7 feet. And depending on if you have weight on the back or not, it'll lift up about 700 pounds. Go ahead and start it up. Brand new battery, brand new starter, all new hoses, belts. So there it is. It's a Yanmar YM1610D. 4-wheel drive diesel tractor. This should be on my website shortly. I need to update it. I've had some issues with it, but I'm working on it right now, so I should have my website updated by later today. So if you want to see this tractor, any others, go to my website at ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.